Do this and you will eliminate cellulite in 5 days. They call it the cellulite killer. Cellulite is a condition on the skin. It contains fats on the inside, giving the skin a lumpy, piled up appearance. 3 home remedies to fade cellulite. 1. Brush the skin dry. Brushing dry affected skin is one of the most effective ways to treat cellulite. This increases blood flow and circulation, removing toxins from the first layer of the skin and helping to reduce the appearance of orange peel. Make sure your skin and brush are completely dry and brush your entire body. Concentrate more on the affected areas with a horizontal, non-circular movement. Do this for 5 minutes and then to the shower. There will be removed all the dead cells that covered your skin. Be consistent, and you will see good results in 30 days. 2. Cayenne pepper. Cayenne pepper is a natural fat burner. It has the ability to warm the body and increase circulation and metabolism. It also helps us get rid of dead cells and replace them with healthy cells. It eliminates toxins from your body and reduces cellulite in large quantity. In a glass of 8 ounces water, add a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, a teaspoon of ginger powder and the juice of a whole lemon. Drink this detox drink for 1 or 2 months and you will see the change that will give your body and skin. 3. Ground coffee. Ground coffee is used as an exfoliant in different ways and for different parts of our body. This removes the dead cells in our skin and regenerates new cells. Drinking coffee will help increase blood circulation. Mix half a cup of ground coffee, 3 tablespoons of brown sugar, and 4 tablespoons of melted coconut oil to form a paste. Massage the mixture for 5 minutes in the affected areas, and then rinse with warm water. Follow this remedy 2 to 3 times a week for 1 or 2 months depending on your situation and you will see how the cellulite gradually disappears.